she can cook for Africa, the best cook ever, If you don't know how to cook, come to Ugo Best Kitchen and Lifestyle. She's beautiful and heart of gold, She cook natural food with, She's the best. She can cook it and lick your finger, She's the best. Ugo Best Kitchen and Lifestyle is the best. Cook pepper meat fried rice, oha soup, vegetable soup, egusi soup. She can cook. She's the best. She's the best. She's the best. Ugo Best Kitchen and Lifestyle is the best. Cook pepper meat fried rice, oha soup, vegetable soup, egusi soup. She can cook. She's the best.